Well, hello everybody. I know it's been a while since I made a video. Haven't really had the time, and we haven't been working that much. We worked at the beginning of the week. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on here. We are the 5th of April, Friday the 5th. Look at the snow that fell. Last 2 days been snowing here. There was absolutely no snow. No snow anywhere, no snow banks, no nothing. Then we got this big storm. We worked the beginning of the week, and now snow all over the place. Probably got a foot of snow. Let me measure it out here. 11 inches, almost a foot of snow. About 27 centimeters around, approximately. Yeah, there was nothing. And it's pretty warm. And next week it's supposed to be even warmer. Next week's supposed to be between 50 and 60 all week. Between 10 and 15 Celsius. 50, 60 Fahrenheit. Look at the snowbank. Look at all the snow. It's so warm that they cleaned the street here this morning. And they cleaned my driveway. And they're already down on the asphalt. Even my driveway's on the asphalt. Just happy I left my pegs out for the snow so they know where they have to go. I can't believe it. This is crazy weather. Crazy weather. It's like winter in the spring. I'll show you guys. My son, the youngest one, went to get his motorbike. It'd been so nice, he wanted to go riding. And I told him, I said, oh, it's not a good idea. A lot of sand on the roads from the sand they put in the winter for the snow on the roads and that. And I said, it's not a good idea for you to be riding around. And he goes, well, at least I'm gonna bring it up to the house. It was down at the shop. Oh, there's my dog, Jack. So I said, okay, but I don't really want you to ride it. And now look at the snow out there. Forget that, so much snow out there. All right, so I'll head down to the shop, go see what's going on down there. Got a few things going on. We'll go see, show you guys, give you guys a bit of an update of what's going on. I can't believe though, all this snow. Look at turn the lights off here. I mean, look at the snow up on the roof of the house. Look at the bushes here. Look at the snow here on the bushes. And it's sugaring snow, what they call sugaring snow for the sugar shacks to make maple syrup. This is perfect snow for that. I was looking in the backyard, way down in the back there. Looks like some of the trees bent again, leaning down over the pool. Let's go see. I had to do a little trail for my dogs so they can run around. Now you see the bush down in the corner there of the pool, all squash. It's all squashed down. See the fire hydrant covered in snow, like a foot of snow on top of the fire hydrant there. Yeah, look at that. See the other driveway already down on the asphalt. All right, let's head down to the shop. Let's go down there. All right, just coming in and getting all the summer tires put on. I don't know why we put the winter tires. We don't even take the trucks out anymore in the winter. So we got the summer tires, they're all there. We got a bunch of new tires too this year. We put new tires on the 350. Here, there, we put Firestone. New tires on this. We're gonna put new tires on the boom van. Big knobby tires. For the back of the van, those are BF Goodwrench. Right here. We'll put those on the back of the van so that way we have good big thread on the back. This is the only one we use a bit in the winter. Don't use it that much, but I used it more this winter since I was around, since we didn't go south for the winter. So put the summer tires on this. The new ones on here. The rest is all ready. Gonna put the summer tires on the old 150 sitting back there. Out back, show you guys, we had absolutely no snow. Like I was saying, we're April 5th. We are Friday. They came in and cleaned the driveway this morning. We got a foot of snow. We worked at the beginning of the week and we got a foot of snow Thursday, Wednesday night into Thursday into Friday. So you see, they came and cleaned this up. They dug up the, look at that. God, they dug that up. Almost as much dirt, gravel as there is snow. So there was no snowbank. There was no more snowbank. It was all gone. So I showed you guys over there how much snow we had. We got about a foot. So anyway, so we're all ready. We're planning on going back at it Monday, the day of the eclipse, the big eclipse. But I don't know, we'll see how much snow there is, because we're not going to be out cutting a foot of snow on the ground. I'll show you my snowbank out front here. Look at that big snowbank. That's a big one. All right, so I'll keep going, bring you guys along with me. This is just a quick update. Winter weather in the spring. My last video was summer weather in the spring. Oh, look, we got some friends coming out of the woods. I don't know if you guys can see them. All right, we'll go see our friends here. Look at him right there, that nice little... He could hear me out here talking, I guess. You got the geese flying up over, you can hear them. The Canada geese. Oh, that's a small one over there. All right, look at that, another one there. It's funny, eh, how they can hear you. You're just out here walking around talking. They hear you and they come out. All right, let's keep going. Started putting the wheels on. Got some of our friends showed up here. They seem to enjoy that. We enjoy having them around. There's about 10 of them that hang out here. Yeah, so don't forget the uploads. Haven't been as much. I haven't done as many lately, but we'll get back into it. Get back at it. Get things rolling here. All right, we'll just do the van. My pickup's done, so I'm gonna head out with my pickup. I'm gonna go to Ford to get some more tires. I have 2 more tires for the back of the van with the big knobbies, like what we put on the van here. We just have to put the hubcaps back on. Look at those big knobbies. Less chance of spinning on people's lawns. And I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty rough. The beginning of the season is gonna be pretty soft. Picked up some dirt the other day. Bags of dirt that we put in the boom vans. See these bags of dirt here? Because sometimes when we go on people's lawn and we make a little mark, some people get very upset. Some people are really good about it, but some people are very mean about it. So we keep always, I think about 5 to 10 bags on each van, each boom van. These ones here, this one here, and the one over here. So we usually keep that, keep them happy. Just throw a little dirt on top. All right, heading over Ford garage, drop off those tires, get some more of those all-terrain BF Good wrench put on. Now look at the snow. Absolutely no snow here 2 days ago, none at all. This just all came in last couple days. Can't believe it, April. Anyways, we'll get things started. Season will get off to a start. It's just we'll end up starting a little bit quicker, having more work, get more guys in. All the guys, all my employees, all are coming back. All of them. Usually there's 1 or 2, sometimes 3 that'll leave, find something else, because the kind of work we do is seasonal and it's not everyone that likes to do that. A lot of them have jobs they get in the winter. A lot of them work in the sugar bush and stuff like that in the winter. Do other stuff. Ski mountains, stuff like that. Snow removal. But they all, I called them and they all said they wanted to come back. And I don't know, my 2 boys are, one of my boys worked last year, the other one took the year off. He went to work for Bombardier. You know, the company that makes the snowmobiles and the Can-Am bikes and the Sea-Doos, all that stuff. He went to work in the offices for them because Bombardier's headquarters is here where we are, not too far from where we live. So he went to do that since he was studying in business management at the university here. So he said, go try that out, see what that's like. He didn't seem to care for it that much. I said, there's other stuff you can keep trying. You want to get yourself another job at one of those big companies for the summer, I have no problem with that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about us. We'll find people to work. It's always fun to have your boys around though, but that's part of life. They got to do their own road, go on their own little pathway, as we would say, to get their stuff done. So we'll see what that gives. The youngest one is coming back. I like how they always like to tell us, oh, they're not coming back, but they always do. Not easy. Plus, I think the economy might be starting to slow down a bit. I don't know where you guys are, if your economy is slowing down a bit. I mean, we haven't noticed much of a change, but seems to be. See, we're trying to maybe rent out, build a new building to rent out, but I want to get a tenant before I build it, and nothing's come up. Things are a bit slower. Nothing has come up. I noticed, I was talking to one of my uncles. One of my uncles told me that O'Reilly, you know, they have parts for cars and that, like CarQuest and Napa, that they were coming into Canada. That'd be something we could check into. They'd be looking for a space like we have, around 5,000 square feet with a storefront, so the customers can come in through the front to get stuff too. Anyway, we'll see. We go with the flow. It's the way it is. All right, you guys. Don't forget, you guys. Enjoy. Oh, we'll go over to Ford. We'll drop off those tires. I'll show you guys as I go through there. Well, here we are at the dealership. All right, so we dropped off the tires at Ford. They're gonna put some more tires on here. All right, that's it. We're out of here.